Hello, everybody. Doc Jane Ruder here. What we're going to talk about today is about the question that I received. One of the questions that I received about applying here to the U.S. as a foreign educated physical therapist. Someone asked me, "Can I take NPTE before FCCPT?" Okay, the answer is no. Okay, because FCCPT is a credentialing agency. The job of FCCPT is to make sure that you are really a graduate of physical therapy program, and to ensure that all the trainings, the subjects, the clinical hours, your curriculum, your syllabi are at par, comparable to the acceptable standard here in the US. Okay, so if you're depending on the year you graduated and comparing to the current requirement of the US, they will see if you have deficiencies in subject before you can actually apply to the state, before you can practice here to the US. So you cannot bypass the FCCPT. Okay, that is one of the first steps that you can do, that you should do in order for you to practice here in the US. Okay, so you the state will give you the go signal if you're okay to go ahead and take the NPTE, but that is only after you fulfill all the requirements by the state. Okay, so I will discuss this deeply. I will be launching a 2-day challenge next month. So watch out for that in order for you guys to have a solid foundation, solid knowledge of the even just the basic term. What is FCCPT? What is ICD? What is credentialing? What is healthcare worker certificate? And just to accelerate the process of your application to be a licensed physical therapist here in the US, so you can fulfill your American dream. Okay, so my point is, it is very important to have a clear understanding of what you're doing in order for you to be successful at it. If you are just trying to apply without really knowing what you're doing, you're gonna spend a lot of money, you're gonna waste your time, you're gonna be frustrated, you might be anxious and depressed because nothing is working right, because the foundation is not strong and it's not good. Okay, so do your credentialing first, and then complete all the requirements that the state is asking from you. And when they receive all the payments and the requirements, then they will tell you if you are eligible, a candidate to take the national physical therapy examination. Okay, guys, I hope that helps. Have a blessed day.